Here we will write a Python program to check entered number is positive or negative using constructor. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define class, then we will define constructor with one parameter. Then we will assign constructor variable. Then we will write method to check number is positive or negative. Here we will check it with if statement. So if self.x less than 0, we will print number is negative. Else we will print number is positive. Then outside the class we will accept the number from the user. So n equal to int input enter number. Then we will create object of our class and we will pass n as a constructor parameter. And then we will call the method check number from that class. Then we will save it and we will execute it. It will ask to enter the number. I will give 5. It will print number is positive. I will again execute it and I will give -4. It will print number is negative.